Okay, last reminders on EasyBib. One of the biggest things I can say is make sure you're logged in here. If you had errors with formatting or anything else on your citations, I am trying to go through and I will continue going through this weekend and on Monday and give you tips on how to fix your annotated bibliographies if there was a problem. So check your email for that. If you're logged in, you can easily go back and re-export to fix your problems, especially if it's a formatting problem. And by export, remember it is here. You're clicking export, save to a Google Doc, and it will create one for you that looks almost just like this, but without the heading. You just have to then go back and put your heading here instead of the words works cited and fix this box with your personal information. Now, a lot of people that have errors, they are copying and pasting from here. Maybe clicking copy and paste. And then coming to a blank document and pasting it in. And then they're going back and coming to here, which is what you should do, and copy your heading, adding it to the top, and then changing your information here. Now, I'm not changing everything now just for time's sake. If this is what you did, that is almost correct, but this does not look like this. This is MLA format. This is not MLA format. I know it's picky, but that is just the way it is. That's how you turn things in English classes. And if you go to college one day, you will turn things in a certain way as well, either MLA or some other style. So this is not correct. You can go back to EasyBib and do the export option like I showed you, or you can play around with this and try to fix it. If you notice, my font for the heading is Times New Roman, 12-point size, and this part is double spaced. To do that to this, you would just highlight it again and change it. Times New Roman, 12-point font, double space it. It's almost correct now, but if you look at the correct one, there should be hanging indent. The only line that's over to the left is the first line, and every other line after that is indented to the half-inch mark. You can do that here. So if you highlight your paragraph, click on the triangle and drag it to the halfway to the half-inch mark, and then that rectangle on top, you see there's two pieces here. Drag the rectangle back. It said first line indent, if you noticed. Now that is correct. So if you get errors in your formatting, you can export again, or you can do that. Let me show you one more time. Highlight it, grab the triangle all the way over to the half-inch mark. In that rectangle, you see it says first line indent. Take it back to the 0. Then you can submit it again. Anything you turn into Google Classroom, you can unsubmit and resubmit. If you have questions on this, again, my email is on the website here on the Creating Your Poster page. I did add this morning videos on using Pixabay and using Glogster as well. These are things we all shared in class, but I think some students are still struggling, so I wanted to give a little extra help. Thanks.